This is Tuck with Tuck GC. I'm in Arlington, Virginia, and we just finished up a front porch entire rebuild. Now it's a windy day and it's a little cold out, so my video is not going to be perfect, but we're just going to put up this little teaser video now before we come back and complete the other work. Since it pushed into wintertime, we held off on the concrete, but we are doing a concrete walkway here, concrete driveway and patio in the rear, and then we're in talks with the homeowners because he likes the stone veneer so much of actually carrying it around the foundation of the house. So when we come back in spring and touch up some of the work here and finish all the concrete work and stone work, I'll do an additional video. But let's take a quick look at what we did here. This project, the porch was pretty much almost failing when we got here. It was collapsing in, so this was an entire rebuild, demoing the entire roof, all the substructure, and rebuilding from the ground up, including the footing system. The stone veneer on these bottoms of these projects really set it off. Instead of having the exposed substructure, you get that nice stone veneer to cover everything up, and that is just such an awesome upgrade to do on these porches. Everything that you see that is trim is composite, so that's all PVC. You won't have to worry about rotting or any issues. The decking and railings are done by Trex. These are the aluminum powder coated railings that, in my personal opinion, are a lot nicer than the PVC railings that you see a lot of people use. Just a very, very nice project, very classy look. Underneath, we put a little access panel, and we ended up, little added touch, putting in some landscaping cloth in this gravel here to give you a nice secure area under the project. We tied in to the home gutter system, so we actually replaced these gutters on the home as well, just to give you a nice seamless look. The roof structure up there, you could see the shingles match almost perfectly, so we were able to tie into the existing roof, make it look natural like it was done together. Coming around to this side, it's a kind of a weird placement for the gas meter, but we did have to work around that, but it did pass final inspection. That's the code. It's going to have to be exposed first for the gas company to get to it. Second, if there's ever a leak, we don't want to trap gas down there in the bottom. Now over here on the railings, I had Angel with Rodeo Welding come out. He did this railing job. This wasn't part of my contract. I just did it as a service to the client to turn them on to a good railing company to do this. The previous egress contractor left this exposed with no railing, so we obviously had to bring it to code for our inspection, even though we didn't do this work. So Angel came in and helped us out there. Let's step up into the actual deck. Trex decking boards look great. Railings look great. Mahogany ceiling, fantastic. Nice little added touch. There was columns here on the old post, and there were splits in the siding, so we put that little trim piece there, false post if you will, to kind of hide that, so we didn't have to redo any siding. And the decking and railing looks really good. And now this client has a beautiful front porch. So we'd love to bid on your project as well. We deal with, this carpentry through another subcontractor that we have an experience with, lasting back about 18 years. So good company to work with, provides good work, and we handle the admin part of the process, bringing in a subcontractor to do this work that ties in with all the other work that we do. So take a look back in spring when we finish this up, when we get all the concrete and stonework done. This will really turnkey this project to have a really nice exterior. Thanks for watching the video, and we look forward to hearing from you in the future on your project. Take care.